Okay, here we need to find the integral of 2x plus 3 all raised to the power 4 with respect to x. Now, when you get good at this, you'll be able to do it using shortcut methods. Personally, I think a u substitution is the best way to minimize the chance of you getting this thing wrong. So what I'm going to do is kind of a function thing going on. If you were differentiating, you'd potentially use the chain rule and you might use a u. I'm going to use a u in exactly the same manner. So I'm going to say let u equal, so the thing that's the function that's being raised, having another function performed on it. So u is going to equal 2x plus 3. Then we're going to find du by dx. So that would just be 2. Now, what we need to do, because we're going to end up with a u to the power 4 here, I need to be able to integrate with respect to u. So we need an expression for dx in terms of du. So we're going to rearrange this to make dx the subject. So I guess du equals 2dx, which would mean that dx equals du by 2, or I suppose half du is probably more useful. So something like that. So now we're going to rewrite the integral. I would normally call this little I. Can I call that the I for integral? So now I equals, so it's a half times the integral of u for du. Now, what's happened here, the u to the 4 bit should be fairly obvious because u is that. Dx we knew was half du, so what we've done, we've put the half, pulled it out as a constant, and we've just changed the dx to du. So we could have written times a half du there, but I've just pulled it out at the start, straight at the start, because it's a constant and constants can always come out of integrals. So now we can go ahead, relieve the half, so a half times, and then we can just integrate this with respect to u. It's very simple once you do that. So u to the 5 over 5. So that ends up being u to the 5 over 10. Over 10 plus c. Don't forget the constant of integration. Probably should put it there as well. Right, so the answer needs to be in terms of x and not u. So the final result is 2x plus 3 to the power 5 over 10 plus c.